Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a repair on this 2000 Buick Century Custom on the instrument cluster. Let me show you what's going on. Pardon the snow, it's been chilly out. So this is what's going on. When you start up the car, it's got a little display right there that's supposed to be showing you the mileage and your gear select. That does not work. And there are a couple resistors that need to be resoldered within the cluster. So today I'll be showing you how to do that. Okay, so I started disassembling the dash panels, and I'll show you what needs to be done. So over here on the passenger side, there's the fuse panel that just pulls right out, and there's going to be one Phillips screw holding it on right there. Down below, for this panel, this part's a little broken, but that's how it was. Right up here, one more Phillips screw. And then once that's out, it's just the clips holding it on. The glove box just needs to be open because there's a little lip right there. Come around to the other side. On the driver's side, this makes it easier for me, to remove the plastic panel that surrounds climate control. Two Phillips screws right there, which that one's been broken. And on that side, and those are located when you look underneath, right here and right here. Same thing, it just held on by a couple clips. For this panel, basically same thing. The top portion is held on by some clips. Got two screws. All of these are Phillips right there on that side, which goes underneath right up here, and on this side right behind where the brake lever is, so screw up there. And of course on this side you need to remove the panel, which most likely, every time I've done this before, the clips pop off. Pry tool to get it off, or a flathead like I use it. These clips pop off. You can just clip them back onto the plastic panel. It's no problem. Once you have everything undone, you can start gently prying on this little plastic panel that goes all the way around. It should come off. So now I have the plastic panel off. You do have to be mindful on the passenger side. Where you took the bolt out, there's a little clip that hangs around. You do have to pry up on that. And it will make it easier if you have tilt steering. Put the steering column all the way down. And then you do have to shift your gear select into the very lowest gear. And the reason why I didn't record doing this is because the beeping is very annoying. Onto the cluster, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips head, or I think that is a 7.5mm. Don't quote me on that though. Screws holding it in, should make it easy to remove. As you can see, I have just pulled the instrument cluster. Got the 4 screws out. Comes out real easy with the gear select and the steering column lowered. It has one plug-in that plugs in right here. It's this big cable up here. It is a bit of a pain to get it out. You have to squeeze these two really hard and slowly pry up on it, but it will give out. Okay, so here is the instrument cluster from the Buick, and I've already removed this backing plate, which it has these tabs all around. I think there is, what, 9 total. They just pry up with a screwdriver and it'll pop right off. And then this is our panel. So you need to gently, because it's very, very fragile, just gently pry up on it. There you go. Until it comes off. Now, these, you can see I'm missing one right there. There should be 4 of these little resistors that need to be replaced. So I'll be doing that. Now, I'm not a master solderer. I've only done soldering a couple times, so I won't be showing you that. It's probably going to take me, a few attempts to do. But these right here are the new ones that I purchased off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description probably. I think they're like $6 or $7 for a pack of 10. And you can get 4 or 5 of them, but I got 10 just because if I mess one up, I have more. So I'll get to it. Okay, so here are the 4 new resistors that I soldered in. Not the best job, but about to go test it out to see if it works. If it works, then sweet. If not, then I'll redo it. Okay, sorry, got dark real quick and fast, but I've kind of installed I just plugged in the instrument cluster just to test it out. Let's see if it works. Oh, it lit up. There you go, 90,863 miles. It works now. Just double check the indicator. Perfect. So my repair worked. So there you have it, guys. If your Buick Century odometer and gear select screen doesn't work, that's what you have to do to fix it.